everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. The meat birds have arrived. These are male Cornish cross that we will raise here on the homestead for the next 8 to 9 weeks, after which the birds will be butchered and prepped for the freezer. We raise and prepare enough birds during the spring and summer seasons to last us until this time next year, at which point we run through the same process again. Last year, I did weekly video logs of what it takes to raise meat birds, for those who are interested in giving a try. Afterwards, I did how-to videos on gutting and butchering the chickens, cleaning gizzards and feet, as well as canning chicken meat and chicken stock. If you are interested in any of that, check out my Raising Meat Chickens playlist. Raising meat birds isn't that difficult. It only requires you build a hoop house or structure to protect the birds when they are on fresh pasture, as well as a morning and evening routine which consists of refilling their water and adding or removing their feed. This is required over the course of 8 to 9 weeks. Then dedicate a few hours one day to process and preserve the meat. That's pretty much it. Consider watching some of the videos in the Raising Meat Chickens playlist to see if it is something that you would consider giving a try. And give a thumbs up to some of the videos to help these videos get picked up by YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching.